I'm going to say 2 syllables. You're going to repeat the syllables, and then we're going to grab them and make the word. Are you ready? Bub, bull. Grab. Bub, bull. Bubble. Gog, goals. Grab. Gog, goals.
Goggles.
Do you wear goggles in the pool?
Sometimes.
To protect your eyes? You don't have goggles. Rip, pull. Rip, pull. Ripple. That's what the water makes when you dive in with your goggles. Ripples.
Or when you touch the water with your finger, like ding, pong.
And it ripples out. Ready? Table. 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 Ready? Star, tull.
Startle. Startle.
Tumble.
Tumble. Tumble.
Gargle.
Gargle. Gargle.
Do you know what gargle is? When you make water stay in your throat, remember when I taught you the G sound, we go g, 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 g. That's kind of like a gargle. Last word, no bull.
No bull. Noble.
Very good.
For more information, please visit readinguniverse.org. Special thanks to Verne Heights Elementary School, Bonita Unified School District, and the Los Angeles County Office of Education. Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and 2 anonymous donors. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
This is Reading Universe.